Hey guys, Rhino Scout here, welcome back to another video. Carrying on from the theme of reviews, we are going to be doing an Osmo Genius kit. The kit comes with 4 boxes filled with tiles, tanagram pieces and other things. You will need an iPad, maybe a piece of paper. It fits the iPad mini and iPad Air and Pro. The first thing I'm going to talk about is the mirror. It's a piece that hooks onto the top of your iPad above the camera. Okay, the first thing I'm going to be doing is Osmo numbers. Just get started. Skip that. You will be prompted to create an account, but you don't need it to play the game. It takes a wee while to load. Press play. You get out the number counters, number tiles. You can tap 1. It's Guitar Gully. The idea of the game is to make numbers to pop the bubbles and fill up the ocean with water. So on here you have 30, 7, 8, 7 plus 8, 15, 5 is 30, 29, actually hold on, we'll put a 25, 25, pops the 25s. Okay, you need 2, 30, you'll pop 30 and fill up the ocean with water. And now if we take away 5 plus 2 with 0, get 22. Crates will either drop seaweed or stones for the bottom of the ocean. Make 30 again. If we put a 3 and a 0 in, should go 26 for that. There we go, we got 30. Got another crate, and if we make a 20 now, we'll pop the 20 and we can put that on. 23, the fish will now pop down, the guitar fish. Okay, that's enough for now, so we'll come out of that and go into our tanagram one. We'll grab our tanagram pieces, take a while to load. With the tanagram one, there's a map and there's lots of bubbles. You tap the bubbles, it comes up with a shape and you have to make it. Skip that. It comes in here, so there's yellow, which is medium or easy, and then there's purple, which is harder, orange, which is medium, and red, which is hard. We'll go with the easy one up here. So you make the shape and put the blue piece in, the red piece in, and the yellow piece, orange piece. If there's two of the same shape, you have to make sure that it's the right colour, otherwise it won't recognise it. There we go. Once you've completed it, it'll turn black and give you diamonds. You can complete things, and if you move over to a castle, you can do lots of things in the castle, like making other ones, and okay. With this orange piece, you have to be quite careful with which way you put it, because it could change. It's when you do it, you can move it both ways. Now this castle's come up, you can tap it, it's a big one, and it'll come up with something, dots, and you can do it. When this thing is darker, you have to figure out what the shape is. So the blue one will probably be there, and then the darker colour one, and then the green one, and you'll put the orange one, making sure that it is the right shape. There you go. We'll go hop out of here. This game is actually really cool. It's for ages 5 and up. I personally like this kit because it's real fun. Out of 10, I would rate it about 9.5. This is a unsponsored video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to slap the subscribe button and comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. See you next time. Bye!